Howard Middle played Osceola Friday night at Forest High for the championship. Howard was well represented, and the pregame warm-up showed how focused our team was. The coaches were confident and excited. In the final moments, these free throws would clinch the victory with a mere 5 seconds left. Osceola would score, but it wasn't enough, and Howard would three-peat for the championship. Congratulations to our boys' basketball team.
The 8th grade dance is on May 3rd from 5:50 to 8:30. Tickets will go on sale soon for the price of $25.
The 8th grade dance theme is Enchanted Garden.
Hope to see you there, and
go
go Bulls!
Hello, Howard Bulls. This is Miss S over in the library again, and we are having again another couple poems being read today for National Poetry Month. Enjoy.
The Silence Between the Stars by Zayaja Guyton. Beneath the hush where twilight clings, a thread of light on raven's wings, the sky unfolds in breathless arcs, a canvas pierced by ancient sparks. The moon, a quiet sentinel, keeps secrets it will never tell, of sailors lost, of lovers found, of whispered prayers that make no sound. The wind walks soft through the cedar trees. It carries stories on its breeze, of time that bends but will not break, of hearts that ache but will still awake. Each star a vow the dark has kept, a memory the night has wept. And you, a lone soul who wanders far, are stitched into the silent star. So lift your gaze, no dream is gone. The sky still sings, the dark goes on. And in the space between each light, there is your fire, learns to write. So lift your gaze, no dream is gone. The sky still sings, the dark goes on. And in the space between each light is where your fire learns to write.
Okay, ready?
Okay, speeding, stand by. 3, 2.
You can do these dance moves at the 8th grade dance. Face off the tape.
Yeah, please stop rolling.